Looking for pillowcases that combine durability, comfort, and easy maintenance? Gold Textiles offers a bulk pack of polycotton pillowcases that deliver just that. Sized at 21 by 36, these standard pillowcases fit perfectly on 20 by 26 and 20 by 30 pillows, making them a versatile choice for a variety of uses. What sets these pillowcases apart is their unique 60% cotton and 40% polyester blend, woven with a T200 thread count and a percale wave construction. This mix gives you the softness of cotton with the strength and wrinkle resistance of polyester. You get pillowcases that feel comfortable against the skin, yet stand up to frequent washing and heavy use. That's why they're a top pick for hotels, motels, massage centers, and physical therapy clinics. From my experience, these pillowcases hold up well through busy seasons. They require no ironing and are lightweight, making them a practical choice for any commercial setting. Plus, their bright white color adds a clean, fresh look that guests and clients appreciate. If you manage a hospitality business or run a clinic, these pillowcases offer a cost-effective solution without sacrificing quality. They're designed to last for years, maintaining their softness and strength even after multiple washes. And with a 30-day full money-back guarantee, you can try them with confidence. Worth a look if you want pillowcases that simplify your laundry routine while keeping your guests comfortable. If that's you, consider upgrading your linens with Gold Textiles durable, easy care pillowcases. Try them when you're ready and see how they fit your needs.